just how easy is it to install our officially licensed Mopar Jeep Emblem overlays. We got pro versus newbie. Lee, have you ever done this before?
No.
All right, that checks out. He's a newbie. And ready, set, go. All right, let's spray this up real quick with some Rapid Tack cleaner and application fluid. Scrub it real nice, make sure it's all clean and dry. All right.
Done.
You're done?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, no, you got me. All right, we're gonna do one letter at a time here. Beautiful. Peel that up. Nice. Taking my time to peel the transfer tape off. All right, one more to go. Boom! Let's go ahead and wrap those corners.
Done.
Make sure they're nice. Seal off there.
That was actually the easiest one so far.
You're done?
Yeah.
Did you beat me?
Maybe.
Oh, man, that orange is pretty cool. Fun fact, orange used to be my favorite color. All right, that was useless information. Wow, okay. This is almost perfect.
Oh man, you messed this P all up.
I know. You already got me the first time. I don't trust you anymore. All right, post-fight interview. We got newbie here. How was the install? Rated 1 out of 10.
A 1 for sure. Like that was ridiculously easy.
Well, there you have it on our latest episode of Pro versus Newbie, showing you just how easy it is to install our graphics. These are pro results made simple.